Yungnit. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today what I have for you is something super exciting. It is another thrifted transformation. Today I'm going to be transforming this Rolling Stones t-shirt that I thrifted. It's pretty tiny, so we're gonna see what we can make out of this, but I'm gonna try and utilize the whole logo. So I think I'm gonna do like a simple two-piece party outfit, you know, something classic that I always do, because I mean, I think this would be cute as a party outfit. I know it'll be cute. But yeah, anyways, today I'm gonna show you what I do with that t-shirt. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Enjoy! So here I have the t-shirt that we're going to be using, some scissors, a rotary cutter, a seam ripper, some pins, matching thread, a tape measure, and a variety of elastics. I decided to use a two-piece outfit that I have previously made as a reference piece. Now, if you don't have a two-piece outfit like this at home, you can use a bandeau and a skirt that is form-fitting. And when you're cutting it out with your rotary cutter, just make sure to leave enough for seam allowance. And this shirt was a little bit small, so I was just using as much fabric as I could. But here I'm cleaning up the edges and putting the right sides together, and I'm beginning to pin the sides down. Take this bad boy to the machine and sew a straight stitch. Here you can see me going in with a zigzag stitch on the top. I like to do that just because I don't have a serger machine just yet, and it's a little extra something to secure, you know, the stitch. As you can see, I'm repeating the process with the skirt, going in with a straight stitch and following with a zigzag stitch. Now I'm just turning my outfit right side out to check out what it looks like. And we're about to make a casing for the elastic. So now, of course, we have to measure ourselves with some elastic. When I create the casing for my elastic, I like to fold it over twice just so it has a clean look. Here you're going to see me folding it over once and pinning throughout the whole bottom of the top. But I do go back in and I fold it over again. It's just easier for me, and I have these long claws. I regret getting these, but yes, I'm just going over, folding it once, and then going back and folding it over twice and pinning it down. I'm going in here with a zigzag stitch, and whenever you're creating a casing for elastic, you want to make sure that you don't close the stitch. I like to leave a 1-inch opening between the ends of my stitch just so we could feed that elastic through, and of course if you close it up you can't put the elastic through the casing, so just make sure you leave an opening. Here I'm repeating myself. I'm folding over the top of the skirt once over, and once I complete pinning the whole top of the bottom, I flip it over once more just to create that clean casing again so we can feed our elastic through. Once again, we're going in with a zigzag stitch on the top of the skirt, and make sure, yet again, not to close the stitch all the way. Make sure to have a 1-inch opening so we can feed that elastic through. The bottom of the skirt was a little bit uneven, so I ended up trimming it up a little bit. Here I'm also going in and just pinning it over once over. If I wanted this to be a super clean look, I would pin it over twice. However, I didn't want this skirt to be super duper booty because, girl, we are popping out here, and a tiny skirt is not a good look sometimes. Another one. Again, we are doing a zigzag stitch all the way through, and you can close the end of this stitch because we're not putting elastic in the bottom of the skirt. But just make sure that you're gently feeding the fabric through and you're not pulling it or stretching it or any of that. Now it is time to feed the elastic through, so I'm putting a safety pin on the end of the elastic and just feeding it through that casing until I meet the other side of the elastic. And I also pin the elastic together, making sure that the sides are laying flat and everything is even. And then I go in and do a zigzag stitch. Then I just stretch out the elastic so it fits evenly throughout the top, and I secure the casing down with a zigzag stitch. Repeat this process to the top of your top and the top of your skirt.
Hey guys, welcome back. You made it to the end of this video, and thanks for watching if you've made it this far. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I honestly didn't expect it to come out as good as it did, but I like it, and I'm definitely gonna wear it to my next concert that I go to, so pretty stoked for that. But as far as news, I know I'm dropping this on a Sunday, but I'm gonna be releasing videos every Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn that bell icon on just so you can see, you know, when I release videos. But other than that, that's all I have to say. I'm so thankful that you guys are here watching me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. So have a good day and the rest of your summer. I hope it's a hot girl summer for you, because it's definitely a hot girl summer for me. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. Bye.